Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhanzu classes. My name is Ashdeep. So I hope you all remember what we did in the last class. So let me quickly recall. So in the last class, we had already covered the topic of how to find out the value of the expression, right? So today we'll be continuing with the topic, but now we'll be doing some of the complex questions of our second exercise. So these are some of the very important questions. So let's quickly get started, everyone. So the first question, as you can see over here, that is question number 8 from exercise 10.2. It states that if z is equal to 10, we need to find the value of the expression. So first of all, we are given the expression as z cubed minus 3 into z minus 10. So now if you all remember, whenever we get such type of questions, first of all, we need to simplify our expression. We need to open the brackets. So now if we simplify, we'll get z cube minus 3 into z is 3z. Then minus minus plus, so 3 tens is 30. Now we'll quickly put the value of z as 10. So now if we put it as 10, so 10 cube minus 3 into 10 plus 30. So 10 cube is nothing but 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, that is 1000, minus 30 and plus 30. So here we can simply see that minus 30 and plus 30 here would become 0. So we get our answer that would be equal to 1000, right? I hope that's again clear to every one of you. Now moving on to the second part of question number 8. So now it states that if p is equal to minus 10, we need to again find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. So now I want you all to quickly try and find out the answer before I give the answer. So let's quickly put the value of p as minus 10. So minus 10 square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. So minus 10 square, minus 10 into minus 10 would become 100. Minus and minus would get cancelled. So again, minus 2 into minus 10 would be plus 20. And then we have minus 100. So again, as you can see, 100 minus 100 would become 0. So we'll get our answer that would be equal to 20. I hope again this question is clear to every one of you. So now we're going to try our question number 9. So as you all can see, question number 9 is bit different from what we have done up till now. So this is a very important question. I want every one of you to quickly try this question with me. All right, so let's quickly get started, everyone. So as you can see in question number 9, it states that what should be the value of A if the value of the expression, okay, we have an expression here that is 2x square plus x minus a, and as far as the question is concerned, it is given that the value of 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. So we'll simply put the expression equal to 5. Now, one more condition that is given to us is that the value of x is equal to 0. But before that, we need to quickly simplify this and then we will put the value. So here, as we can see, the question, as far as the question is concerned, we are already given that the value of x is equal to 0. So let's quickly put the value of x as 0 and find out the value of a. So 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. So now 2 into 0 square is 0 plus 0 would be 0. So now we are left with minus a, which is equal to 5. Or we can simply state that a is equal to minus 5. Because in the question, it is asked to find the value of a. The variable here is positive, right? So now we have simply transferred the negative value to the RHS and we found the answer that a is equal to minus 5. I hope that's once again clear to every one of you. Now we are moving on to the last question that we have, that is question number 10. So now if we see question number 10, it states simplify the expression just like the questions that we did in our last class as well. We need to find the value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. Now let's quickly see. We have the expression as 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So now first of all, let's quickly simplify. So let's open the brackets first. So 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So now if we open up the brackets, we'll get 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. So here as we can see, 2ab and minus ab are like terms. So first of all, we'll simplify both of them. So we'll get 2a square. 2ab minus ab is nothing but it would be plus ab plus 3. Now, as far as the question is concerned, we are already given the value of a and b. So we'll simply put a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. So now as we simplify, so 2 into 5 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. So we'll get the answer now as, so here we have 2 into 5 square. 5 square is 25. 25 into 2 would be 50. Minus 5 into 3, that is minus 15 plus 3. So again, if we simplify, so we have 50 minus 15. Okay. So that would be simply 35 plus 3. So our answer would be equal to 38. So I hope that's clear to every one of you. So in the last question again, we simply simplified and put the value and we got the answer, right? So now we are done with this entire chapter and we have already covered, if I talk about from starting till end, so we started with algebraic expression where we discussed that algebraic expressions are formed of two things. We had variables, we had constant. Both these things are connected with use of operators. We discussed that we use different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables and constant to form the expression. Again, if we discuss about the expression, then we discuss that expressions are made of terms. And then again, terms are added to form an expression. Like let's suppose we have expression 4x, we have another expression 7. So these both are nothing but they're the terms. So these both terms if added, so 4x plus 7, that would be our expression. Another thing that we discussed was tree diagram, wherein we saw that expression, then we had terms, and terms are nothing but they are the product of factors, right? And then laterly in the first exercise, we also discussed about what coefficient is. So coefficient is nothing but the numerical factor in the term, right? Sometimes any one factor in the term is also called the coefficient of the remaining part of the term. Then coming up to the next part, we discussed that any expression with one or more terms is called the polynomial. Then we discussed some special types, specifically one-term expression is a monomial, two-term expression is a binomial, and three-term expression is a trinomial. And later on, we also discussed about like and unlike terms. And in the second half of this chapter, we discussed about finding the value of an expression, and then we had tried some of the questions as well. So I hope you're all clear with algebraic expression and I hope you do wonders in future. So thank you so much everyone. Keep learning the Bhanzu way, keep practicing and keep shining. Thank you. Bye bye.